Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I can't believe I got KJ. Oh my god, I can't believe I got KJ moveset. See? I got it. Best friend. Wait, why does it not have the out? What the? Wait, lag. The lag. The lag. Let's go. Yo, bro is an admin now. Wait, try best friend. Nah. Try best friend. I can't believe I just got it. I can't believe I just got it. Wait, let me try the. Let me try the. Wait, why lag? Why fucking lag? Why? Why is the lag? I always fucking got lag. I hate lag. I hate this lag. I hate this. I hate why I actually got KJ, guys. Hey yo, I actually got KJ. Yeah, I got KJ. KJ. Let me tell the story. See me? That is my alt account. I'm not in the leaderboard because I just sent it. I'm not deep out of the reset. See, why? See, I got KJ. Let's try. One more hit. Hope the guy is in the grass. You don't believe me?